viewers at home. You are all welcome to Better Faith e-learning platform. My name is Mr. Benjamin Obi. I'm here this morning to take the subject mathematics for basic trade and primary trade. And the topic is weight. What is weight? Weight, it is the measure of how heavy an object is. We use a balance scale or weighing scale to measure masses or weights. We use gram to weigh lighter objects and kilogram to weigh heavy objects. Note, 1,000 grams can be abbreviated as small letter G, is equivalent to 1 kilogram. To change grams to kilogram, we'll multiply the number of grams by 1,000. Example 1. Change this to gram. B. Change 9 kilogram to gram. And B. We are expected to change 0.5 gram to 0.5 kilogram to gram. Solution. Let's recall that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. That is 9 kilogram will be equivalent to what? So if we are converting kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1,000. That is 9 times 1,000 grams. 1,000 multiplied by 9. 9 times 0 will give us 0. 9 times 0 will give us 0. 9 times 0 will also give us 0. And 9 times 1 will give us 9. So our final answer is 9,000 grams. That is 9 kilogram is equivalent to 9,000 grams. That is 9 kilogram is equivalent to 9,000 grams. Solution to question B. 0.53 kilogram. Recall that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. 0.53 kilogram will be equivalent to, so we multiply 0.53 kilogram by 1,000. That is 0.53 multiplied by 1,000 grams. So whenever we are multiplying by 1,000 grams, we shift the decimal point 3 places backwards. 0.53. So we shift the decimal places 3 times backward. If we are multiplying 0.53 kilogram to gram, if you have to convert 0.53 kilogram to gram, we multiply 0.53 multiplied by 1,000. We shift this decimal point 3 places backward, because looking at 1,000, 1,000 has 3 zeros. That is the major reason why we shift the decimal point 3 places backwards. 1, 2, 3. So this empty space will indicate 0. So it's equivalent to 530 grams. 0.53 kilogram is equivalent to 530 grams. Is that taken? So whenever we are asked to convert a number, a given number in kilogram, what we are expected to do is that we multiply that value in kilogram by 1,000. Just for example, the example we just cited just now, 9 kilogram to gram. Looking at the example, we multiply the 9 kilogram by 1,000, giving us 9,000 grams. It shows that 9 kilogram is equivalent to 9,000 grams. And 0.53 kilogram is equivalent to 530 grams. Is that taken? Hope you understand. Then example 2. Under this example 2, example 2, we'll be expressing some figures from gram. We'll be expressing some figures that is given in gram to kilogram. Example 2. Express 3. Example 2. Express 33.80 grams in kilogram. Solution. Express 33.80 gram in kilogram. So whenever we are giving this type of questions and the value given to us is in gram, if we are converting from gram to kilogram, we are expected to divide by 1000. We divide this value by 1000, that is 33.80 divided by 1000. So if we are dividing by 1000, we shift the decimal point 3 places forward. If we are converting from gram to kilogram, we shift this decimal point 3 places forward. So we have 1, 2, 3. It's equivalent to 0.0338 kilogram. So 33.80 gram is equivalent to 0.338 kilogram. Example 2. Example 3. Example 3. Under this example 3, we'll be adding and we'll be subtracting of weight in grams and kilogram. Example 3 is addition and subtraction. Of weight in kilogram and grams. In kilogram and grams. Add 3 kilogram 75 gram to 4 kilogram 338 gram. Solution. The question, we are asked to add 3 kilogram 75 gram to 4 kilogram 338 gram. So we have 3 kilogram 75 gram plus 4 kilogram 338 gram. So we have 5 plus 8 will give us 13. 5 plus 8 will give us 5 plus 8 will give us 13. So we'll write these 3. We'll carry 1. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Plus that 1, 11. We'll write 1, carry 1. Then add that 1 to these 3, making 4. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So our answer is 7 kilogram 413 gram. If you should add 3 kilogram 75 gram to 4 kilogram 338 gram, you end up getting 7 kilogram 406 kilogram 950 Solution. The question says that we should subtract 6 kilogram 956 gram from 9 kilogram 136 gram. Solution. So we arrange our values. 9 kilogram 136 gram minus 6 kilogram 956 gram. So 6 minus 6 will give us 0. But there is another method that we can use to solve this particular example. Knowing fully well that 136 gram cannot minus 956 gram. So we'll borrow 1 from 9 gram. We'll have 8. We'll borrow 1 from 9 kilogram, and that one we borrowed from 9 kilogram is equivalent to, let's remember that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 gram. So that particular one we borrowed from 9 is equivalent to 1,000 gram. So we'll add that 1,000 to this, to 136 gram. So we'll have 1,000 plus 136 gram. 0 plus 6 will give us 6, 0 plus 3 will give us 3, and 0 plus 1 will give us 1, and we'll bring down our 1. So 1,000 gram plus 136 gram is equivalent to 1,136 gram. So we'll have 1,136 gram. 8 minus 6 will give us 2 kilogram. But this value is greater than, this 1,136 gram is greater than 1,000 gram. So we'll have 1,136. So let's use our place value. We'll have our unit, tens, hundred, and thousand. This particular one that falls under thousand, we'll now add it to the kilogram. We'll add this particular number to kilogram. So we'll end up having, so this 1,136 gram. Sorry, let me just go back. This 1,136 gram, we'll now minus it with, we'll minus it from, remember we are dealing with subtraction. 1,136 gram minus 956 gram. So we'll have 0 minus 6 will give us 0. 3 minus 5, it cannot, we'll borrow 1, we'll have 13. 13 minus 5 will give us 8. And we borrow 1 from this, we'll have 10. 10 minus 1 will give us 8. We'll have 180 gram. So our final answer now is 2 kilogram 180 gram. 2 kilogram 180 gram. Let me recap again. The question said that we should subtract 6 kilogram 956 gram from 9 kilogram 136 gram. So we'll have our 9 kilogram 136 gram minus 6 kilogram 956 gram. 1,000, knowing fully well that 136 gram cannot minus 956 grams. So we'll borrow 1 from the 9 kilogram. And that one we borrowed from 9 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 gram. So we'll now add that 1,000 gram to 136 gram. So if we should add 1,000 gram to 136 gram, we'll end up getting 1,136 gram. So we'll now use, it is this 1,936 gram grams. So 1,956 grams minus 1,136 grams minus 956 grams will give us 180. So our final answer is 2 kilogram 180 gram. Final answer is 2 kilogram 180 gram. Example 3. Under this example 3, we'll be dealing with division of units of weight. Example 4 will be based on division of units of weight. Example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Divide 10 kilogram 725 gram by 5. We are asked to divide 10 kilogram 725 gram by 5. So our solution. We first of all draw our square root. Then we'll place our 5 outside the root and our 10 kilogram 725 gram. So 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. And 2 will now be in 2 kilogram. 2 multiplied by 5 will give us 10. And 10 minus 10 will give us 0. 10 minus 10 will give us 0 minus 0, 0, and 1 minus 1 will also give us 1. Then we'll now use 7 to divide 5. 7 divided by 5 will give us 1. If you use 7 to divide 5, you end up getting 1, remainder 2. So we'll put down our 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5. And 7 minus 5 will give us 2. But 2 cannot divide 5 because 5 is greater than 2. So we'll bring down the next 2, making what? 22. 22 divided by 5 will give us 4, remainder 2. 22 divided by 5 will give us 4, remainder 2. So we'll put down our 4. 4 times 5 will give us 20. Then we'll minus to subtract. 22 minus 20 will give us 2. 2 minus 0 will give us 2. And 2 minus 2 will give us 0. 22 minus 20 will give us 2. But these 2 cannot divide what? 5. Because 5 is greater than what? 2. So we'll bring down the last 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. So 5 times 5 will give us 25. And 25 minus 5 minus 5 will give us 0. And 2 minus 2 will also give us what? 0. So our final answer is 2 kilogram 145 grams. Let me recap the question again. The question said that we should divide 10 kilogram 725 grams by 5. So if you see this type of question, what you are expected to do is that you draw your square root. You place the 5 outside the root and 10 kilogram 725 grams inside what? The square root. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. So write down our 2. 2 times 5 will give us 10. And 10 minus 10 will give us 0. Then we'll move to 7. 7 divided by 5 will end up getting 1, remainder of 2. You put down your 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5. And 7 minus 5 will give us 2. But these 2 cannot divide 5 because 5 is greater than what? 2. We'll bring down the next 2, making 22. 22 divided by 5 will give us 4, remainder 2. So we put that our 4. 4 times 5 will give us 20. And 22 minus 20 will give us 2. But 2 cannot divide 5. So we'll bring down the last 5 downward. It becomes 25. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. And 5 times 5 will give us 25. 25 minus 25 will give us 7. So our final answer is 2 kilogram, 145 grams. Is that taken? Example 3. Example 5. Our example 5 will be based on multiplication and division. Example 5. Multiplication and division of kilogram. Kilograms and grams. By whole number. Kilogram, 649 gram multiplied by 9. Example 5 is based on multiplication. Multiplication of kilograms and gram by whole number. Example 5, multiplication of kilograms and grams by whole number. So we have 16 kilogram, 649 grams times 5. So we have 9 times 9 will give us 81. We put down our 1, we carry our 8. 9 times 4 will give us 36 plus 8 will give us 44. We put down our 4, carry what? The next 4. 9 times 6 will give us 54 plus that 4 will give us 58. 58 grams. Then 9 times 6 will give us 54. So we put down our 4, carry 5. 9 times 1 will give us 9. Plus that 5, it will give us 14. 14 kilogram. So we have 14 kilogram, 144 kilogram, 5,841 gram. We have 144 kilogram, 5,841 gram. So let's remember that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 gram. So 5,000 kilogram. This 5,000 kilogram. 5,000 kilogram. Bring down our 5,841 gram. So let's use our place value. We have our units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So these 5 fall under what? Thousands. These 5 fall under gram fall under what? Thousands. So we'll add this 5 to 144. 144 kilogram plus 5 kilogram plus 841 gram. So 144 kilogram plus 5 gram. 5 plus 5 kilogram will give us 149 kilogram, 841 gram. This is our final answer. Let me recap again. 16 kilogram, 964 gram multiplied by 9. We end up getting 5,841 gram, and on this side we end up getting 1,444 kilogram. So we'll now move the 5,000, the 65 fall under 1,000. We'll now 65 fall under 1,000, and 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 gram. So we'll now add this 5 to 144 kilogram. It will give us 149 kilogram, 841 gram. Practice exercise. Practice exercise. One, change the following. Change the following to grams. A, 8 kilogram. B, 12 kilogram. C, 3 kilogram. D, no question 2. Add 4 kilogram, 770. Add 4 kilogram, 75 gram to 5 kilogram, 338 gram. Please, you are expected to follow the procedure to solve this practice exercise. Thank you.